Right, this is just an interim report. As you can see, we're on the rear elevation here. We've taken off an area of tiles. We've stripped back the battens and replaced them. We've put about a square metre of felt in here, which is this here. Okay, there's the felt tray. Of course, this needs to go over the felt tray there, otherwise if water ever ran down this, it would go behind that, so it has to go over the top like that. Whoever fitted these things in the past has just simply slid them under the tiles, and that's your roofing felt there, so your underfelt, and this is on top of the underfelt. You can see that may as well not be there. It's doing nothing. You know, any sort of like broken edges here, it would catch that, but as for being a felt tray, it's doing absolutely nothing. So that's something to consider in the future. It should be done correctly like that. Right, we've replaced 2 battens there, as you can see. Craig slid some DPM up there as far as he can, but we're not scheduled to do the whole edge, as you know. You asked us if we would bond this, which we're about to do now. Craig's just gone to get something called Stixol, which is a hybrid adhesive. Here he comes. Just show that to the camera, please, Craig. That's what we're going to use to bond that edge there. Thanks, Craig. And then this area is ready for retiling then. There's if you remember, there was a tile in a terrible state up there. Not quite sure exactly where it was, but as you can see, we've replaced that using a good tile, because it's more critical up there than it is down at the bottom. Just down here, drying in the sun, are the 2 quite badly damaged tiles. That's the one that was in the middle of the roof. As you can see, it's in a bit of a terrible state. What we've done is we've primed that. We've cleaned it up with a wire brush. We've primed it with polyvinyl acetate and water, and that's very nearly dry, as you can see. This one also has been primed, and that's 99% dry. And with the case of this one here, because it's so bad, whatever tile goes up to the right of it, we plan to seal right over like that, to make that completely watertight. This is the purpose of priming it, so that this stuff sticks correctly, this aluminium sheet, which has a bituminous back into it, and we weld it on with the blow lamp. So we'll be doing that down on the ground, and then that should be completely watertight, but we'll have this down at the bottom of the roof rather than up in the middle somewhere. This one's a more simple repair. We've got the piece of broken tile there, as for that one, and we're simply going to weld a patch over the top of that and weld that into position as well, and that'll be that. End of this report.